This is a picture of Roberta Laveau, an amazing World War II veteran who ended up being the last living woman World War II pilot, and she lived in Portland. I was able to bring her to Milwaukie High School for about 12 years in a row and other schools where she would speak. And what's so amazing about her was it was against the law for women to fly planes and get a pilot's license back in the 30s. So she talked a farmer into teaching her how to fly an old biplane, and she did some work for him on his farm. She went to Canada to get her license, got her pilot's license in Canada, and then Britain was so desperate for pilots that her and 22 other American women flew over and joined the Royal Air Force, and they flew planes back and forth from England to France, the new ones, and flew the shot-up ones back. It was very dangerous. Some were killed. But what was amazing was that her attitude was she was just a spitfire. She was feisty and tough. And I remember one time that she spoke to all the girls at Milwaukie High School, and they had one last question. Do you have anything you want to say to all these girls in the audience? She goes, "Yes, I do." And she was in her 90s. She said, "Anytime a man tells you you can't do something, don't listen to him. You just do it." And she received a standing ovation. backwithbuckles.com